up with his family? What up with his family? You know where I'm at. I'm in Mcgehee, Arkansas, man. My hometown. It's been a while since I've been here, but I'm here now, and I got a couple things I got to do today. So my goal is to hit a couple blocks and actually see the city. I see the owl's nest over there, so it's a few things I got to check out today. Some old stuff that used to be here that's actually not here anymore that I want to go check out. So I'm gonna probably do that here in a minute. Right now I'm just weighing my options and checking out everything and waiting till the sun come up so I can be able to make a move. But right now I'm actually just sitting out here weighing my options, getting some stuff together. But I'm home, family. It's been a while since I've been home. And I'm here on a mission to restore my mom's house. So I'll be coming up here in a minute showing you some updated photos of the stuff that we're doing. It's a lot that's involved in this situation, so it's humbling. I'm humble, but most definitely I know there's nothing I can't do if I stay focused. So our goal is to make it happen, man. But I'm in my hometown of Mcgehee, Arkansas right now. I was pretty much raised here, and we're gonna do some touring today, man. Let y'all kind of see. That's one of the monuments of Mcgehee. That's a rice mill factory. That's been there. That's been here since I was a kid. They probably didn't upgraded it a lot, but that's been here since I was a kid. But family, I'm in Mcgehee, Arkansas right now, so my goal is check on some of my family members, check on this house, see what I got to do, see what the ins, outs. Get my hog on. You know how it is. Like Phoenix.